Khwlwmkha Joto takhwk bwkhwk tai lamsogo ani o channel faidi jeung tini nalinai Food Security Program Department of Food Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs Government of Tripura hoite kaisa ketal job notification faika norok obo nainamuchungka hanke type khaidi epdstr.gov.in thamani pore bone o website opening nai o jagano kaisa option tongo norok nugui manane others ni o jaga click khaidi aboni pore employment news o jaga click khaidi aboni pore o page opening nai norok o jaga nugui mano employment notice for district consumer disputes redressal commission Kamalpur Belai last date inka 20 September 2021 faidi takhwk bwkhwk jeung pura notification nainani bagai o jaga jeung click khainai aboni pore o pdf file norok nugui mano omo fainai employment o jaga kaini post tongo kaisangka one post of male member in Dhalai district consumer disputes redressal commission Kamalpur tai kaisangka female member in Dhalai district consumer disputes redressal commission Kamalpur takhwk bwkhwk oboni bagai qualification ong nangnai the applicant shall have the following qualification pulano sijak nadi be not less than 35 years of age noni 35 age ni uporona nangnai tai possess a bachelor degree from a recognized university tai noni je kuno bachelor degree tongkhenango tai nugimano be person of ability integrity and standing and having special knowledge and professional experience of not less than 15 years in consumer affairs law public affairs administration economics commerce industry finance management engineering technology public health or medicine takhwk bwkhwk oboni related noni 15 years experience tonangnai minimum aboni porenkha the appointment will be made on part-time basis for a term of 4 years or up to the age of 65 years whichever is earlier on basis of personal interview and recommendation of the selection committee in accordance with provisions of consumer protection qualification method of recruitment procedure of appointment term of office resignation and removal of the president and members of the state commission and district commission rules 2020 takhwk bwkhwk obongkha part-time basis nai tai oboni bagai jorar jakha 4 years ni bagai nongno najaknai ba jara 65 years ni jara kai thangnai asu jara phonongnai whichever is earlier aboni pore the person so engaged shall be entitled to receive sitting fee 2500 per day of sitting takhwk bwkhwk norok salo 2500 ke manai the person who already applied for the aforesaid post did not apply afresh takhwk bwkhwk jara oboni age apply khaijakrok borok obonotui tai apply khainanglak the intending candidate shall send their application with biodata and required credential address to the additional secretary and director CS&CADepartment Gurkhabasti Agartala 6th directly or by the post so as to reach the office of the undersigned by 20 September 2021 takhwk bwkhwk jara interest tonerok noni biodata tai nangkukmani documents norok borneo address somarnai to the additional secretary and director FCS&CADepartment Gurkhabasti Agartala 6 norok hoitoba boni office thangi pano direct rimano hoitoba norok post office pano horimano by 20 September 2021 obongkha last date the details may also be viewed from the website takhwk bwkhwk obongkha boni website ni address fca.tripura.gov.in takhwk bwkhwk o jaga tebo tongo notification norok obo nainekhe naimano ang o notification or description ni box rirwana takhwk bwkhwk tin bagito ashokno norok jodi interest tongkhe apply khaidi আর যদি ইন্টারেস্ট করি হিংকে ননি সিরিজা বরং শেয়ার খেরে দি যাতে বরক ফোন অবন বাগে অ্যাপ্লাই খাইমান থং তিন বাগে আশিক ন বেলেকেন হামবাই খুলুমবাই